Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, students. Whenever you are watching this video, so now we will start degrees of comparison. Okay, so there are 3 degrees of comparisons. A positive degree adjective is used to talk about one person or thing. Okay, this is used to talk about one person or one thing. Like this is a big apple. Okay, this is a big apple. Now we had talked about its quality, how this apple is. This is big apple. Now a comparative adjective is used to compare. Okay, it is used to compare two people or things. Like you can say that this apple is bigger than that apple. Okay, means second apple is bigger than first apple. You can see that this is small and it is bigger. Okay, now superlative adjectives is used to when you compare 3 or more people. Like you can see this is the biggest apple of all these 3 apple. This is big, but that is bigger, and this is biggest. Now you can see that its size is biggest, it is bigger, and it is big. Now here students, in this book you can also see that definitions are given. Like positive degree. Okay, when we talk about the quality of one adjective, we use the positive degree. Like honey is sweet. How is honey? Honey is sweet. Okay, but when you say that it is sweeter than that, okay, means that is comparative, means you are comparing. Like you can see the house is clean, but when you say Ram's house is cleaner than Sam's house, okay, then you are comparing someone. Here you can see that when we are comparing two nouns, okay, you can see one, our house is bigger than theirs. Okay, here we are comparing. Okay, she is cleverer than her brother, means we are comparing her to her brother, from her brother. So we are comparing two things, she to her brother and then our house to theirs. Here this color is more beautiful than that color. You can see that. Okay, now superlative degree, when you compare 3 or more nouns, we need to show that when we compare 3 or more nouns, and we need to show that one or more of them noun possesses the quality in the highest. Okay, like he is the tallest boy. When we use superlative, we use the. Okay, like he is the tallest boy in the class, means he is tallest, सबसे ज़्यादा height है उसकी. This is the most difficult, मतलब सबसे difficult chapter है. This is the biggest. Here all we use the in superlative, means the means सबसे बड़ा, like biggest, most difficult, tallest. So in articles chapter I have explained you about the. If you have not seen articles chapter, please go and see that video. I have made it that in 50 minutes. Okay, I have made that in 50 minutes. It is very detailed article video. Go and see that chapter. And now making comparative and superlative. Okay, there are some rules to change from positive to comparative and superlative. Here you can see that single syllable words. Okay, like double syllable words. Okay, single syllable, double syllable, ending with y. When some adjective, okay, when some adjective is ending with y, er, ow, le, okay, you need to add er and est. Here you can see that clever word is ending with er, so what you say, cleverer and cleverest. Okay, like he is a clever boy, means वह बहुत चालाक लड़का है. But when you say she is cleverer than her brother, means what, we are comparing her to her brother. And when you say cleverest, okay, when you say fox is the cleverest animal, okay, so you are comparing fox to all the animals, means you are saying fox is the cleverest animal. Here similarly, when word with end with y, like you see that ugly, okay, with ugly you will make uglier and ugliest. Like he looks very ugly, okay, वह बहुत ugly दिखता है. But when you say he is uglier than Ram, means वो राम से uglier है. But when you say ugliest, means सबसे खराब दिखने वाला. Okay, ugliest. नैरो मीन्स पतला, नैरोअर मीन्स उससे भी पतला, एंड नैरोवेस्ट मीन्स सबसे पतला. ओके, इट इज़ वेरी नैरो स्ट्रीट, मतलब ये बहुत पतला स्ट्रीट है. देन यू से नैरोअर मीन्स दिस स्ट्रीट इज नैरोअर देन दैट स्ट्रीट, मीन्स ये स्ट्रीट तो उससे भी पतला है. नैरोवेस्ट मीन्स सबसे पतला, जैसे रायपुर का सबसे पतला स्ट्रीट है ये. यू कैन फाइंड नैरोवेस्ट स्ट्रीट इन गोल बाजार. ओके, यू कैन फाइंड नैरोवेस्ट स्ट्रीट्स इन गोल बाजार, like that you can say. When there is silent e at the end of positive form. Okay, when you have silent e, like you can see that here e. Okay, you don't say nice. Okay, you say nice, means e is here silent, means nice. You'll say nicer, nicest when word is ending with e. Okay, like that. So I have explained you word when ending with y, word ending with er, word ending with ow. Like you can see that slow, you can make slower, slowest. Okay, when you word with le, here le I have given an example. No, I have not given. Okay, you can find some example. Here y I have already explained you, like when you have heavy, then you say heavier and heaviest. Okay students, you can find adjective with le also, like suppose okay, I will explain, I will provide you word with le also in pdf. Then let's see that here is the ending with le. Okay, no, it is not. So if adjective is small with stress on vowel. Okay, like when stress is on vowel, double the last consonant. Here hot, you will say hotter and hottest. Okay, like you can say Raipur is hot place, but when you say Rajasthan is hotter state. Okay, hotter state than Chhattisgarh, then you'll say hottest. Okay, like that. Then double syllable words that do not end with y, er. Okay, OWLE, more than 2 syllable. Here careful, you say more careful, most careful. Here students, you say there is careful is made from 2 words, care and full. Okay, so when word is made from 2 words, okay, then we'll say more and most. Like beautiful, beautiful is made from 2 words, like beauty and full, so you'll say more beautiful, most beautiful. Here exception are there. For common you can also say commoner, more common, or you can say commonest or most common. For quit also you can say quitter or more quite. Okay, more quieter or more quiet, or quietest or most quiet. Okay, 2 comparative and 2 superlatives. For some 2 comparative and 2 superlative. Here sure, you can also say surer, or you can say more sure, or you can say surest or most sure. Okay, then last is irregular comparisons. Bad, you'll say worst. You will not say better, baddest. Okay, for bad you say worse, like he is worst person, or he is worst person. Good, you'll say better, best. You don't say gooder, goodest, you'll say better, best. Okay, like he is good person, he is better than Ram, he is the best person, like that. For further, farthest. Okay, little, less, least. Okay, for little you will not say littler, littlest, you will say less, means I have less money than him. And when you say least, he has least money than all of us, like that. Okay, और this jug has least, means सबसे ज़्यादा जग पानी इसी जग में, या फिर less water, मतलब इस जग में less water है compared to that jug, like that. Okay, little, I have told you where little is used. Little is used for uncountable nouns like water, sugar, like that. Okay, so students, now we will solve exercise. Today is the hot, what you say to hot, for hot will make hottest. Okay, here you can see that the, okay, ईयर का सबसे ज़्यादा हॉटेस्ट दिन है ये. This is the again the what you'll say beautiful. Beautiful is made from two words, beauty and full. So you'll say more beautiful, and here you'll say most beautiful because here it is the. Okay, so it will be most beautiful. Now my shoes are not as expensive. Okay, not expensive. Now students, which do you like, fish or meat? So someone is asking which you like better. Okay, fish or meat. So here it is better because we are comparing two things here, fish and meat. Again this is the. Okay, the means सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा. सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा के लिए क्या, इंटरेस्टिंग, मोर इंटरेस्टिंग, एंड ही विल से मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग. I think science is easier than maths. Again, when you'll compare, you'll say easy. It is, it is ending with y, so it will be easier. And here you can, when you compare, there will be then. Okay, when you compare, then comes. Okay, now a bicycle is slower. Here you will say slower because w. Okay, word is ending with w. Okay, so slower, slowest, like that. Okay, here we are comparing, so it is comparative degree. Who is the? Here the means best. Here means intelligent, more intelligent, and you'll say most intelligent. Intelligent is made from two words, intelli and gent. Okay, here also interesting is made from two words, interesting. Okay, so again this room is the for the you say most. Okay, most comfortable. Most comfortable. This is the funny. What you say funny? For funny you say funnier. Okay, because it is ending with y. When words end with y, you add ier and ist. So here this is the funniest. Funniest. It will be funniest. Okay, now this is your homework, students. They are very easy questions. Solve them.